I'm sharing the game song 123 O'Leary. I've got at least 10 different versions of different ways you can play this game to adapt it to meet the needs of all of your students in your music classroom. Here's how the song goes. 1, 2, 3, O'Leary. 4, 5, 6, O'Leary, 7, 8, 9, O'Leary, 10, O'Leary, 11. I love to use scarves in the music classroom. I find that they are just really great movement props that help me teach and help my students learn music concepts. So for the game song 123 O'Leary, I thought we could just do a simple scarf movement, and I'll have the students be listening for the word O'Leary. They're going to count on the beat and bounce their scarf on the beat. 1, 2, 3. And then on the word O'Leary, they're gonna pop it, O'Leary. And I'm gonna ask them to pop it wherever they want to. And we're gonna play around with this idea because we're gonna toss it high. We're gonna bounce it low. We're gonna bounce it here. We're gonna be dramatic. We're gonna do this thing. We're gonna make all kinds of movement with our scarf and use our whole body in this game. It'll be so easy to do. When I show my students the scarf activity, I am teaching them about the pattern because we're going bounce, 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 then wave, bounce, 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 then wave, bounce, 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 then wave, and then the pattern changes, bounce, wave, bounce, bounce. So we can teach them about the pattern of the song using a scarf. That way we're expressing ourselves through movement. We're listening, we're paying attention to the patterns, and we're moving to music. This is how it would go. 1, 2, 3, O'Leary. 4, 5, 6, O'Leary. 7, 8, 9, O'Leary. 10, O'Leary. Whoops, I did it wrong. 1, 2, 3, O'Leary. 4, 5, 6, O'Leary. 7, 8, 9, O'Leary. 10, O'Leary. Open the gate and let me in, sir. I am soaking to the skin, sir. Open the gate and let me in, sir. Just to post a letter. It's such a fun activity. 1, 2, 3, O'Leary. I love to use movement props in my classroom, and sometimes, you just have to use what you have. You may not want to run out and go get something just to play a game. So I'm giving some adaptations on the game song 1, 2, 3, O'Leary. And I have this soft cush ball. And I also teach kindergarten, a lot of them. And so I'm going to adapt the game to be a game where my kindergartners can play this. And I'm going to not worry as much about them singing the song as much as playing the game, and we're going to focus on the beat. 1, 2, 3, and then guess what we're going to do? We're sitting in a circle. We're going to pass on the word O'Leary. And I'm going to go as slow as a turtle. 1, 2, 3, O'Leary, and I'm going to pass the ball on the beat. Then the next student's going to go 1, 4, 5, 6. Then the next student's going to get it. And we're going to play the game slowly like a turtle so everybody gets a chance to, 1, toss the ball and pass it to this fun game song. This is an easy way to play 1, 2, 3, O'Leary with your kindergartners. You can use a ball, you can use a stuffed animal or cush ball, and you can use bean bags. Wait, you can also use a scarf. So if you have these kind of props in your classroom, this is a really fun game song you can do in your music classroom during the month of March. It has Irish and Scottish history. It's a folk song, a game song. I got to watch a video of a girl playing the game in 1957 before my time, and it was really fun to see that. So this is a fun game you can play using any prop you have, and just try to adapt the game so it fits the needs of your students in your classroom. Have fun. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed these games and activities. They're available in the Sing, Play, Create free I hope you enjoyed these games and activities, and I hope that you have the luck of the Irish when you are teaching your music class lessons this month. Don't forget to get this free resource from the Sing, Play, Create free resource library. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.